So I'm gonna try and laminate my eyebrows. And look, with this kit, I guess. Okay, I think they're put chapstick on my skin. Okay, now I'm supposed to apply this right now, so hopefully that's how they look at the end. And shape them the way I film and put it on top for 10 minutes. So I'm on top, I guess. We'll see you in 10 minutes. I'm gonna take these off. This is what locks the final look in, so I'm just gonna glob that on. Okay, this part doesn't say to shape them, it just says to brush them up, so that's what I'm doing. Okay, it looks crazy, but it's actually so weird that my eyebrows are flat to my face. I've never had that before. So I'm definitely, it looks like once it's developed. I technically don't even care if this, now I'm just gonna wait for 10 minutes and see how they turn out, how I want them. Oh my gosh, wait, that's crazy. Just brushing through them, it's like so smooth. Lightweight and like soft. Just like look how easily they are to, isn't the best for your hair. Brush that through. Okay, they're all done and I actually think they look amazing. Look at that. It even didn't link this kit down below because it was literally so easy to use.